Welcome to the Windows 10 and computer, and remember that all the tools that are available for decoding or for decrypting ransomware on PCs is available, and I'm going to post the link to this list. This is a big list of all sorts of ransomware that can hit your PC depending on what you have. Check out this list. It probably has, for a lot of you, what is needed to decrypt ransomware. It's very important to understand that ransomware is something that evolves all the time. That means that here you might not have a tool right now to decrypt, but in a month or in 2 months there might be that tool. So if you have an encrypted hard drive, for example, and can wait, well, you can wait and see if some of those tools will, of course, appear here. Remember that a lot of the tools will not appear also. Some are just never going to be available. And that there are new versions and variants of all of this all the time. So if you're hit by ransomware, this is the place to go. The tools for decrypting the ransomware are in here. So you just check out the ransomware, and you have the how-to guides of every type of ransomware. You can download the tools. Most of these tools are made by the different antivirus company, Kaspersky and so on. So check it out, and hopefully you will find a way. I get all the time people saying, help me, help me. I got hard drive encrypted. And this is something that you need to really have working on. You really need to have at least a link somewhere so you can download the tools and check out what is available. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.